Hi there and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making resin geodes for the first time, and I'm going to use this beautiful pink color, this darker reddish pink color, and then this even darker purple color. So I'm going to be using a couple of different methods that I heard online. The first being that you add a light color in the middle and then you make a slightly darker color ring around that light color and then an even darker color around it. As you can see, I'm doing it with these two right here, and that's the first set. And then now these next three, I'm going to be actually putting the dark I'm going to actually start with the dark in the middle first and then add more and more colors into that circle to kind of make rings. And as they move outward, you can see that there's little rings made, sort of like a geode. So with this last one, this circle one that's left over, I'm just adding extra glitter. I kind of wanted to see what the other two would look like with glitter in the middle of them. So in a minute here, I'm going to kind of smooth them out and mix them together with the stick. So now I have some leftover glitter. I'm just going to go ahead and add it to this random mold I had sitting around. That way we can have some fun little things. Alright, so I must have done it wrong, but I heard a way that you can save your cups from resin in them is if you keep the stick inside of it and let it dry overnight. As you can see, with this cup at least, the stick just did not want to come out and the cup wanted to go with the resin. So unfortunately, that method didn't work for this cup. So for this part right here, I'm going to apply some clear nail polish to these cloudy looking areas. This happens after you sand the resin. This has worked for me in the past, but unfortunately with these specific pieces, they have really tiny voids, so the nail polish doesn't really help with that unless I add multiple coats. Alright, so now we're going to attempt to do a gold trim. This is the first time using this method. I heard that you can use this Duraclear stuff and mix it in with some gold mica powder and then just kind of paintbrush it on, and it's supposedly supposed to dry and be great looking. So for one of these geodes, they were really small, and I decided it might look really cute as a bracelet. So I went ahead and made 2 holes and then put 2 jump rings in them and braided some yarn rope and made a bracelet out of it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love how these turned out. Please consider subscribing and liking my channel to help me grow my channel. And also, I really hope to see you in my next videos. Also, feel free to comment down below any tips and tricks that you might think will be helpful for me. Thank you so much.